Are you over 60 and starting to worry more about your kidney health? You're not alone. As we age, our kidneys work tirelessly, filtering waste from our blood, and sometimes they need a little extra support. What if I told you there's a simple, natural, and delicious way to help keep them in top shape? Stick around, because today we're rediving deep into a remarkable superfood that many believe can help cleanse and support your kidneys. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A superfood that cleans kidneys in just 7 days? That sounds too good to be true. I get it. The internet is full of big claims. That's why we're going to approach this with a balanced view. We'll look at what makes this food so special, what science says about it, and how you can realistically and safely incorporate it into your diet for better overall health. We're not talking about a magic pill, but about giving your body the right nutrients to do its job more effectively. So, what is this mystery superfood? Drumroll, please. It's cranberries. Yes, those tart little red berries you probably associate with Thanksgiving dinner. But these berries are so much more than a holiday side dish. They are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with unique compounds that have been studied for their potential benefits, especially for urinary tract and kidney health. Let's break down why cranberries are so fantastic. Their secret weapon is a type of antioxidant called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. Specifically, A-type PACs. What makes these so special? Well, they have an amazing anti-adhesion property. Imagine tiny troublemakers, like certain bacteria, trying to stick to the walls of your urinary tract and kidneys. These A-type PACs act like a slippery coating, making it difficult for those bacteria to get a foothold and cause problems. This is why cranberry juice is so often recommended for urinary tract health. And a healthy urinary tract is the first line of defense for your kidneys. But the benefits don't stop there. Cranberries are also rich in other antioxidants, like vitamin C and flavonoids. Antioxidants are like your body's personal cleanup crew. They go around neutralizing harmful molecules called free radicals, which can cause damage to your cells, including the delicate cells in your kidneys. By reducing this oxidative stress, you're helping to protect your kidneys from long-term wear and tear. Now, let's address that 7-day cleanse idea. This concept is more about kickstarting a healthier habit than a miraculous overnight fix. The idea is that by consistently consuming cranberries for a week, you're flooding your system with these beneficial compounds, giving your urinary system a powerful supportive boost. It's about creating an environment where your kidneys can function optimally. Think of it like spring cleaning for your house. You do an intensive clean to get things in order, and then you maintain it with regular upkeep. That's what we're aiming for with our kidneys. So, how can you get these benefits? The easiest way might seem to be cranberry juice, but there's a catch. Many commercial cranberry juice cocktails are loaded with sugar, which can actually be counterproductive to your health goals. When choosing juice, you want to look for 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Be warned, it's incredibly tart. A good way to drink it is to dilute a small amount, maybe 1 or 2 ounces, in a large glass of water. You can even add a squeeze of lemon, or a natural sweetener like a tiny drop of stevia if you need to. An even better option might be the whole fruit itself. Fresh or frozen cranberries are fantastic. You can toss a handful into your morning oatmeal. Blend them into a smoothie with other fruits like bananas or blueberries to balance the tartness, or even make your own healthy cranberry sauce without all the added sugar. Dried cranberries are also an option, but again, check the label. Many are sweetened with extra sugar. Look for unsweetened or juice-sweetened varieties. For those who find the taste too intense or just want a more concentrated dose, cranberry supplements are widely available. They come in capsule form and offer a standardized amount of those important packs. This can be a convenient and effective way to get the benefits without the tartness or sugar. However, and this is very important, if you are considering a supplement, or if you have any existing kidney conditions or are on medications like blood thinners, you absolutely must speak with your doctor first. They can give you personalized advice and ensure it's a safe choice for you. Let's talk about what a 7-day cranberry kickstart could look like. It's simple. For 1 week, make a conscious effort to include a serving of cranberries in your diet every single day. This could be 1 glass of diluted, unsweetened cranberry juice, a half cup of fresh or frozen berries, or a 1/4 cup of unsweetened dried cranberries. The goal is consistency. While you do this, also focus on drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is the single most important fluid for kidney function, as it helps flush out everything the cranberries are helping to dislodge. During this week, pay attention to how you feel. Do you feel more energetic? Is your digestion better? While you won't feel your kidneys cleaning, supporting your body's natural processes often leads to an overall sense of well-being. And remember, this isn't just a 1-week challenge. The real magic happens when you turn this into a long-term habit. After the first week, try to keep cranberries in your diet several times a week. Of course, cranberries are just one piece of the puzzle. True kidney health comes from a holistic lifestyle. This means managing your blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which are 2 of the biggest factors in kidney health. It also means maintaining a healthy weight, not smoking, and being mindful of your salt intake. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is your best bet. Think of a colorful plate: leafy greens, bell peppers, blueberries, and, of course, our star of the show, cranberries. It's also crucial to remember that this information is for educational purposes. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your kidney health, symptoms like changes in urination, swelling in your legs, or persistent fatigue, please see your doctor. They can run the proper tests and give you a clear picture of what's going on. Self-diagnosing or self-treating can be dangerous. Always work with your healthcare team. So, to recap, cranberries are a nutritional powerhouse packed with unique A-type packs and antioxidants that help support a healthy urinary tract and protect your kidney cells from damage. While the 7-day cleanse idea is more of a kickstart than a cure, incorporating cranberries into your diet consistently is a fantastic, natural way to support your long-term kidney health. Choose unsweetened juice, whole berries, or talk to your doctor about a supplement. Combine this with plenty of water and a healthy overall lifestyle for the best results. Give your body the support it deserves. Why not pick up some cranberries on your next trip to the grocery store and start your own health kickstart? It's a small change that could make a big difference. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video on living your healthiest life. Stay well, and we'll see you next time.